Are your Instagram achievements missing? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the problem and get your achievements back. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Instagram, and tap Update if available. Sometimes a simple restart can fix glitches. Close Instagram completely and then reopen it. Instagram achievements are linked to professional accounts. If you're using a personal account, switch to a professional one by going to Settings, then Account, and selecting Switch to Professional Account. If Instagram is experiencing server issues, achievements might not load. Check websites like Downdetector or Instagram's official Twitter page for updates. On Android, clearing the cache can resolve display issues. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Instagram, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If none of these steps work, try reinstalling Instagram. Delete the app, restart your phone, and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play. That's it. One of these methods should fix the issue. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.